MMM presentation by Omodo Florence on MMM ideology. What is MMM? MMM Mavodi Mondial Movement is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It is a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer donations directly to the account of the other members. MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business, hype investment, or MLM program. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you an organized platform which helps millions of participants worldwide to collect those who need help to those who are ready to provide help for free. Ideology of MMM. The main purpose why Sir Sergio Mavodi created this financial community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world which enslave the poor and they enrich the wealthy. Since the rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer, MMM aim is to demolish the unfair treatment given to the poor by the unjust financial structure created by financial institutions and the governments. It is a donation platform that fights for the poor and make them see financial freedom for the first time. MMM was formed by Sergio Mavodi, who was a Russian by birth. He is a mathematician and a programmer. MMM is existing in over 122 countries and still growing with over 300 million participants worldwide. He started MMM Cooperative in 1989, became a joint stock company in 1994, reviewed in 2011. How does MMM work? MMM is a community of people providing each other with financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. All participants does is simply provide help, which is the starting point of the reward. The only thing MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it, another person provides it. Rules of MMM. Participants should donate only their spare money, not all their money. This is the amount participants can donate gratuitously. Only one account from person, no multiple registrations, and creating multiple accounts are forbidden. We must be responsible for our own accounts. We must not cheat the system by creating dummy accounts. Members of the MMM community should be kind and honest to each other. Benefits of MMM. The amount you donate as your contribution turns into marvels and grows in 30%. Registration bonus is given for participants who are making their first contribution. $20 will be credited to participants who made a contribution of $50 to $499. $50 will be awarded to you if your contribution is from $500 to $2,999. $100 will be given to you if your contribution is $3,000 and more. Participants are credited with 10% referrals bonus from the amount of the contribution made by each new member you invite into the system. Guidance bonus is plus 5%, plus 3%, plus 1% and 0.5%. There are multiple level bonuses. Bonus for the video in a letter of happiness is plus 5% or plus 3% of the amount of the received help. Each participant is obliged to send the letter of happiness after receiving help. Together we change the world. To register and become part of this community, visit www.nigeria-mmm.net. Thank you, Mavudi.